Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a pivot chart in Excel to visually analyze data. We will use a dataset to demonstrate how easy it is to summarize and present data with pivot charts. Let's get started. In this example, we have data containing columns like year, quarter, date, month, country, website, clicks, cost of sales, revenue, and profit. This data is perfect for creating a pivot chart to analyze trends. Highlight the entire table, including headers, to ensure Excel includes all the data for the pivot table and charts. Next, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon, click on Pivot Table. A dialog box will appear. Choose whether to place the entire table in a new worksheet or the current worksheet. I will select New Worksheet and click OK. Now, let's set up the pivot table fields. Drag country to the rows area. Drag revenue to the values area to see total revenues for each country. Similarly, create all such possible pivot tables as per your requirement. With the pivot table selected, go to the Insert tab and select a pivot chart. For this dataset, I will use a clustered column chart to compare revenue. Click OK and the chart will appear alongside the pivot table. Now you can make the chart more presentable and similarly add all the pivot charts like this. By using these combinations, it is very easy for you to create a dashboard. And that's it. We have successfully created pivot charts in Excel. Pivot charts are incredibly useful for summarizing and visualizing data efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.